Hey, today I want to preview how to use the map function in Pandas in order to derive a new column. So I'm going to start with the data frame that has this set of information here. So if I run that, I can see that I have week, an ID for product, an ID for product category, and some revenue and margin. Now my product categories, I can store those in a dictionary or bring those into a dictionary. And you can see here that I have 1, 2, and 3, which align with 1, 2, 3 values here in the product category. I do not have anything for 4, but I want to leave that in there just to see what happens. So in order to derive a new field called a product category that will hold these values, I'm basically going to define or say data frame product category is equal to product category ID mapped by product categories dictionary. So essentially it's going to pair the keys to this ID and then return the value into product category. So I'll run that and I can see that my new data frame now has the columns it did before, and in addition to that, the product category. And you can see that these align directly as we expected, with the exception of 4 because we don't have that value, so it just returns as a null. All right, hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.